In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use XTB. If you're new to trading or just looking to switch to a new platform, XTB is a user-friendly option that offers a wide range of financial instruments. Let's get started by walking through the entire process from beginning to end, ensuring you're ready to trade confidently. First, we'll begin by opening an account with XTB. This is your initial step into unlocking all the trading opportunities the platform provides. Start by heading to the XTB website and clicking on the Open Account button. It's prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Once you've clicked it, you'll be prompted to enter your personal details. This information is crucial for setting up your account securely, so ensure accuracy while filling it out. Next, it's time to verify your identity. XTB takes security seriously, and this step helps protect your account. You'll need to upload a valid form of identification, which could be your passport, Aadhaar, or a national ID, depending on what's accepted in your region. Follow this by completing a quick selfie or video verification process. This might seem like an extra step, but it's instrumental in ensuring that your account is fully secure and compliant with regulations. Once you've completed the verification, your account needs to be activated. This doesn't take long, but you'll need to be patient and wait for approval from XTB. You'll receive a confirmation once your verification is complete, so keep an eye on your emails for that message. This notification means you're just about ready to dive into the world of trading. With your account verified and activated, the next crucial step is funding it. Log into XTB using your new credentials and navigate to the Deposit Funds section. Here you'll be able to choose a payment method that's most convenient for you. Whether it's a bank transfer, credit card, or e-wallet option, select it and make your deposit to get your account funded and ready for action. After your funds are successfully deposited, it's time to explore the XStation platform. Log in with your email and password, and you'll have the choice between a demo or real account. A demo account is a great way to get familiar with the platform without risking real money, especially if you're a beginner or testing out strategies. Now we're ready to find an asset you'd like to trade. Use the search bar or Market Watch feature to browse through the options. XTB offers a variety of assets including stocks, ETFs, forex, commodities, and indices. Once you've found something that piques your interest, click on the asset to proceed. Finally, it's time to place your trade. You can decide to either buy or sell the asset you have selected. Then enter the amount you'd like to trade. To manage risks and potential profits, you can optionally set a stop loss and take profit. These are handy tools, especially in volatile markets. Once you're ready and satisfied with the settings, go ahead and confirm the trade. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to getting started with XTB. Whether you're a new trader or a seasoned investor, I hope this guide has been informative and helpful. Thank you for watching and happy trading.